Hello everyone and welcome back to a new Paint by Numbers video Paint with Me session. The last one of 2020 on the last day of this year. And what a year it's been. Over the Christmas break I had some more time to paint, so I am finishing this Paint by Numbers today with you. New year with a new Paint by Numbers, and this one has given me such joy. I really enjoyed painting it, but it's exciting that it's almost finished now. See, there are a few numbers still to be done. I hope you also had some extra time over the Christmas or New Year's break and do some more painting. I really had a lot of fun. Sorry, I'm not showing you all, but I will make a time-lapse video showing this Paint by Numbers if you're new to the channel from start to finish. Which reminds me, if you're new, hi, my name is Laura and I make Paint by Numbers videos. These sessions, which are Paint with Me sessions, and tips videos released on Sunday. So please subscribe if you also like doing Paint by Numbers like me. In this video I will reflect on 2020 and what it has done for me YouTube wise and painting wise. So I officially started doing Paint by Numbers videos in May 2020. I think it was like 2nd or 3rd of May when I published my first video. And right off the bat I enjoyed doing Paint by Numbers so much, and it was in the middle of the first lockdown, so I had a lot of time on my hands. So I painted every day and I made a video almost every day. Yeah, I remember now, my first week on YouTube, I released a video every single day because I thought it would be great to start off with a bang and release a lot of videos that can be discovered. But of course that wasn't sustainable because it takes a lot of time to make a video and to then do the painting, which takes a few hours. Then I was doing like 10 times time lapse. And then the editing, because I was new to it, it also takes a lot of time and trying out different things and so on. So then I went to a schedule of every other day, or like 3 times a week, which was also a lot, but more sustainable than every day. And I kept up this schedule of 3 videos a week for the entirety of summer. In July, because also of all the YouTube videos and getting familiar with the community, I've discovered doing diamond painting, which is quite similar as Paint by Numbers if you're unfamiliar with it. But instead of working with paint, you work with these diamonds that you place on a sticky canvas based on a number. It's a lot of fun. I'm still doing it. I just couldn't keep up with the 3 times a week schedule. So yeah, sorry. In July I started doing diamond painting, and every Tuesday I released a diamond painting video, and then Thursday and Sunday Paint by Numbers. It's just really fun. But then I got busy with work again and studying and all that stuff. So yeah, like I said, 3 times a week was just too much for me. I wanted to put more time and effort in every single video rather than just putting them out because I had to schedule to keep. I had to look it up exactly when, but from the 1st of October I decided to release only 2 videos a week and put more time and effort into them. And I must say, I think this schedule really works for me. I hope it also works for you. And I definitely want to make some more diamond painting videos, and I will, don't worry. Um, but yes, I do prefer it in this way. Let me know down in the comments which format, if you have been following me throughout the year, which format you liked best. Because as you just heard, I did try out quite a few things, which is natural, right, when you first start out with something new. So try out different things and see what sticks. So that was for my YouTube channel and the videos I released. Now let's talk about the paintings. So like many of you, I was new to Paint by Numbers in May, and since then I have finished, including this one, 3 Paint by Numbers. So the first one was an abstract, kind of abstract painting. Then the second one was, I called it Amsterdam with the bikes and the canal. And then this one is the third one. If you're interested in watching any of them, please check out my YouTube channel. I recorded the whole process for all of them. So plenty of videos for you to watch if you want to. I think I've learned a lot along the way, and every canvas I enjoyed doing. They were all very different in their designs and therefore also in the way of painting, but yeah, I enjoyed all of them. So the first one I think was perfect for a beginner. There weren't too many small details and it was easy painting. The which is also the true for this one that I'm doing right now. Also doesn't have too many small details and it's really easy, fun painting. Compared to the second paint by numbers I did, which had a lot of tiny areas and details. But then I do love the finished product, the finished product, the finished painting a lot. Both of this one because I love the blues and it really fits in nicely with my interior, I think, and I'm definitely going to hang it up. And the Amsterdam one because there's just so much going on. It looks like a real painting. So I guess it's just a personal preference of which one you like or enjoy painting the most and which painting you end up hanging up on your wall. Um, for the quality of the kits, I also had 3 different companies. So the first one was from Amazon, the second one was from Victoria's Moon, and this one is from Gifts Connect. And although I've noticed differences from the canvas and the paint, which I've talked about loads in the videos, I do not think one of them is terrible condition or I couldn't finish it or any like that. So I think that made me enjoy all of them. Now let's set some goals and think about 2021. So this year, sorry, first going back to this year, I released 100 videos. I have 102 videos now on my channel, which I think is crazy and amazing. For next year, I want to stick to my twice a week videos. So that will be again around 100. But yeah, of course, this time I will start from January, which makes it the same amount of videos, but I have longer the time. And my biggest goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, which, thanks to you, I am about to reach. Prediction is in January already. So that's a very close goal, and I'm very, very excited because, as I talked about in my last week's video, that's been the goal for 2020 and my YouTube channel. Then some personal goals as well. I will have to find a new job in 2021 as my current contract finishes. So that's a scary time, but hopefully all will go well, and by this time next year I will have a new job. um, yeah, crazy to think about that, how much can change in a year, but yeah, we will see next year. I am very, very happy and grateful that I started this YouTube journey with you this year, and I hope to continue to see you around in 2021 and to keep growing our community of people that love doing paint by numbers or diamond painting. um, if you're still watching, thank you very much. As always, I really, really appreciate it. And why don't we do something fun and put a star down in the comments if you have watched this whole video. So this is the end result, you guys. Paint by numbers number 3 complete. And I wish you all a very happy, happy New Year and 2021. I hope that all your dreams will come true. And I hope to see you again in the new year and next Sunday. Bye!